Greatness Gang, D4G here. So look, man, we back again with another fragrance unboxing. As you've seen on the thumbnail, we're going back to fragrance world and we're diving into another Barakkat clone that we have. So the fragrance we're going to be talking about today is going to be Barakkat Ambre Eve. My bad, Barakkat Ambre Eve. Let's dive into this one. Hey, if you saw the video from yesterday, man, satin oud, yes, that was a hit, bro. That rose, that oud combination, it was a hit for me, fam. So I'm eager to see how this one's gonna be. I'm just eager to see, man. These fragrance world clones of MFK, hey, they've been doing me good, man. They've been doing me justice. Oh,
trash.
Oh my gosh. Hey, bro, I ain't gonna lie, my juice, I don't know, bro. I wasn't expecting the juice to look like this. I thought it was gonna be like I mean, it looked different on camera, but in person, while I'm looking at it, it looks like that's like a yellow piss type of color, man. I thought this was gonna be like a orangish, you know what I'm saying? Like damn near UT color type of thing. Anyway, hopefully the juice and the smell is what we're expecting. Let's go ahead. Hey, y'all know what it is, man. We did it yesterday. Say it with me. Spray it up. Anytime you get one, spray it up. Yeah. Alright, this is a hit. I'm letting you know right now. Oh, right. This is a hit already. One more strip. I need a strip. I need a strip, fam. This is nice, bro. This is nice. Oh gosh, this is nice. I'm rocking with this already. Okay, let's see what we picking up. Now this one does have a little bit of like a synthetic harshness. Scale of 1 to 10, I give it like a 3. It's not bad, but in that Barakkat satin oud, I didn't get none. This one is a little bit, not bad though. It's like a 2-3. It has like a slight freshness, but that freshness is not the main player. It's a lot of sweet in this, but it's not an overly sweet type of fragrance. It's for a man, this is a good type of sweetness to have in a fragrance, especially if you're dressing it up, trying to do something, you know what I'm saying, formal or whatever the case may be. If you dressed up, this one will work for that. So it's not too sweet to where it's gonna be playful. Right now I'm getting a good dose of that lavender, and there's that benzoin effect. Now I will say this, the opening of this one, it has a little bit of a slight similarity what I get in the Tour Noir. Not the complete fragrance. There's just a similarity in the opening to where it's coming off like that creamy feel. Yes, bro, this is nice. I'm liking this. I'm liking this fragrance. Lavender, benzoin. Now it does say that it have tonka bean in it, but I'm not really getting too much of that. You can pick up a little bit of that amber feel as well. It's starting to come out some. And that vanilla. This almost has like an airy type of freshness mixed with like a very sweet benzoin amber vanilla fix. This is nice, bro. This is a great pickup, and again, for $22, yeah, I might have to get a backup bottle of this one too, because they not making these no more. Now this isn't gonna be one of those everyday type of fragrances unless you make it that. But off the rip, this ain't gonna be something that you want to wear every day unless you in like a suit, you know what I'm saying, trench coat, like you really dressed up to the nine. I ain't doing this one in no basketball shorts, nothing like that. Nah, I gotta have on some, you know what I'm saying? Gotta be right. Bro, right now, I don't know if I would prefer Ambre Eve or Satin Oud. These two right here are very nice fragrances, especially if you're dressing up. You want something that'll help you stand out. You want something that'll be different, unique, still strong, because this Satin Oud is strong like a motherfucker, but we talking about this. And this right now is giving me a nice projection, and the way the body is making up in this, it seems like it's gonna be a room filler type of fragrance. You're not gonna have to worry about it being conversational. Yeah, bro, I'm gonna have to say the same thing. Hey, winner, chicken fucking dinner. We not missing this week. Hey, this week has been a great week for first impression fragrances. Tuesday, we dropped the Jacket Clubs. If you haven't seen it, go ahead and check that one out. Wednesday, we dropped that Satin Oud. Very nice, fam. Gas or Trash will be on the way. Today we dropped this bad boy here, and this I'm telling you, fam, backup bottle worthy. I haven't worn it yet. I'm gonna give it some wears, but depending on how I'm feeling right now, backup bottle worthy, huh? That's all I'm backup bottle worthy. So I'm probably gonna buy backup bottles of both of these because I can see myself running through these pretty quickly, bro. I love oud, and the way this Ambre Eve is coming off, yes, fam. I'm gonna need more of that in my life. But that's gonna be the video, man. Let me know what y'all think down in the comment section. Do you have this one? Where does this one rank along with the other Barakkat clone fragrances that are copying MFK? Let me know y'all thoughts down in the comment section. But with all that being said, we about to get up out of here. Hope y'all have a great day. I hope y'all have a phenomenal day. Stay on your square. Stay on your purpose. Don't let nobody take you off of it, fam. E4G, truly blessed, destined for greatness.